Era mba twamwena kwebati akwena ubupusano kwena epo bulina ila tuteesu ntu tulelima mulandi wakwebati izo tetulelima ila tulima lyonse fentile ila tulima lyonse yali kwata ubulwere ila kwata fe wanu yeni nshina yamba nokuta chinshi nokulabula ngata mufumishe ni nshita pati mwangu chimucho mwinga sombola nomba iyi lati mwana kwa nangu fetu wa imba chile langa feti akwena panshi pede maneka fe buino ela na ku mastemu yena ela maneka fie buino
Government has also taken a proactive approach to recognize that we've been inundated by the cassava brown streak disease, especially in northern province, Mopula province as well.
Right.
So working very closely with private sector who uses cassava as their input in the production, say for beer production, for example. Right. So we are working with private sector to get clean cut cassava, to practice proper agronomical interventions that can help farmers increase their yields, but also have adequate cassava also for for their own consumption.
Yes.
The success of this project begins now. His Excellency the President, Mr. Aka Ndeichilema, and his government are determined to ensure that the disease is contained as quickly as possible.
Kwebati ibifintu mwatuletera twala bomba okulingana ngomo mwatuperera kabiringefu batufundire nombapo batupere mikonkolo ishingabola naifa twamirayo kwebati ifine mwatupera nokutushira twala esho kubomba pamakasana pakuti inshita mukese efi mono kwebati awe naba bomba okulingana nefyo mwatuperere.
We have had trainings for our farmers, and they've learned how to manage the crop, and also the lead farmers are training follower farmers, and also they've been trained in scouting. It is also our intention, our deliberate intention, that this disease-free cassava does not get diseased. And so we're working closely not only with DMMU but also with the Zambia Agricultural Research Institute, ZARI, in ensuring that the farmers are monitored and they are encouraged that the efforts that they are putting in are going to pay off.
We had the privilege where we also received the cuttings under DMMU, and after we received these cuttings, farmers went flat out and planted. And as we can see in this field, farmers are managing the fields so well, and over and all, the project in the camp, by and large in the block, it's doing fine. We've been doing spot checks almost on a monthly basis to see how the crop is doing. And also we had the privilege where we were shared with the provincial crop husbandry officer. He shared with us a certain application so that we can easily be able to detect diseases.
We are very grateful that the government actually acted on the delivering of health planting materials to 5 districts. The more we introduce clean planting health clean planting materials, we will actually increase income levels to all our farmers. The climate has changed. Cassava is a resilient crop. It is able to withstand droughts.
When everything is said and done, we want to empower the same farmers that we have identified as the seed growers by also buying the same cuttings from them and give it to other farmers that will be identified.
We're going around the zones, talking to our people,
and getting them to understand that economic development cannot come except they get involved. And one way they can get involved is through the cultivation of cassava. Let's not give up. Let's keep on growing more and more, because the demand for cassava is also increasing. And there is a lot of money in it to come into our pockets. But again, let's avoid transporting, cutting from one place to the other when we don't know the condition of these cuttings.